Oh my god, what the hell was that? Oh god, they have guns. Oh my god, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Oh my god, no, don't run me. Oh my god. Right, the boss will be here at 5 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock now. So we better get in there and get the goods. Okay, let's go. Yeah. No. Because they're at the entrance, it's going to take a long time for them to get down here, ain't it? Wait, what? Where'd they go? What? Freeze! Oh my god! What the hell? How'd he get past? What about the bodyguard? Oh no! Okay. You take the one on the left, I'll take the one on the right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Hey, there's the goods. Hey, freeze! What?